useless children they come to this world. My papa come to bus driver. A bus is not mega fee. Not that my papa they drive the bus by himself, but my papa come get bus person where the bus driver my papa contract. The contract the guy. And the guy boss not even they neat at all. The boss was not even neat. The boss, a boss in his said, hey, a boss in that move for your chicken for many years. Now my papa they enter. God, my papa just contract that boy anyway. My papa they go. Sometimes my papa not enter bike. If the boy never come, you know enter bike. My papa go use leg take squeeze like this, squeeze like this, squeeze like this. They go where they go buy until one bag go still come. Mama na get back here. Sweet. Hey, the guy they around. The guy go carry and go here they go every that day until the guy go close in the night. My papa they pay him. The children don't know how my papa they pay that boy himself. Oh, excuse you, go get me go here we get all the me. I don't know excuse you, no me. My father was the way I been as my baby. Nobody on this earth he help me. Only this God, like he help me. Me way they yes so. Not be say I don't need help. I need help. And if I ask anybody to help me, nobody could help me. That is why I not they blame anybody again. I think go ask person and say, I dey in need of this thing. And that person, if he help me or get money, but now me, I come house. You know if you bigger, you know if you bigger for me. Now so my papa no get help. Papa no get person where they give up. And my papa no for sabi ask. He also said that he wanted to have the opportunity to your poor. My papa was crying alone inside, was carrying the bodies alone. Children, Robbie, I'm going to make my job. I know the children, they follow their papa, they do competition. If the boy not bring balls, come, my papa he go wrong. They call, they go, so gun, I tell guy before, so gun. So gambling boss, so gambling boss, so gambling. Oh, we want so gambling to send it. Did I mention? Oh, we at the end of it, I never way can they have decisions in your sasso. In the other area, that 5,000 or 10,000 already with squeeze bed or guano, or here they are very well by the time. Now, me, there are a lot of secrets my papa have told me where I never called to come out. He got the secret in the remaining time, a pujua. Ijuwa what that one by so here. Ijuwa, what will you wear? Ijuwa, my Ijuwa has. Why, me egbo, never make Ubodu, nice Ubodu, for Benin. Now, people know Benin, what to be Ubodu for Benin. They will know what they talk. People don't know what to be Ubodu, na best way, na secret place. When my papa carry me no. Now go enter a sort of. I'm going to ask you. I'm not going to know why I did this. I'm not going to know why I did para. My papa go ask my papa. There is my then my papa name reach for that bini. Everybody see a while like boss of boss. Hallelujah. Ekwe mamuwa. Wama donate. Wama tie buba veni waya tie buba be very grand. Waya tie buba wama donate go. Wama donate go waya equite by force. Wama tie buba waya equite. Wama demoto yobo. Now just my mother was using it us. My papa go cry, finish. My mama go come cry, come give me. My papa go come cry, give me. Was using my mama's side. My father was using my papa, my mama to use us. We be spending on our father. I gave you, I'm I will also call my sister where they and say, that did the enter boss. No good now. You know, that one go see para. Sister, what you make I do now? Eh? Now they don't buy a car that they can't go they buy for not they walk. Now they horsey ball, only the para. Only that as you see para so he might not go let's see let her rest. Go sit down. Now that one go send down the last car when drive last will be Jeep. Yes, like a Range Rover or Jeep, like Jeep like be. All those big car will be like Range Rover, that's will be. Now that one can't carry that one, can't go give up. Now that one drive last. Even that one said is poor. They repair like go abandon for. If he is poor, I go abandon for repair. Go continue with his boss. So when I like boss, congregation, like boss they go show, like boss they go everywhere where they go. Not be bus driver. Their father was a bus driver. Yes, what time? Everyone bus driver was a joya. The money we are supposed to gather. Say a quit to my papa by force by fire. Or we will never do that here. You are near. I am my father's son. I am my father's daughter. I am my father's son. I may get the right hand. Now me go talk with him. Now me be laughing the yoga. Now be me have bad on nothing. Feel here kwa boy. You know do amuji adu atene no se. You wa ra gbo mama meti. No one is even more mad than it. Go wa the white mule. Nothing much what wa one. You people will get mad to come and talk to me. You get mad to come and talk to me. That is why when papa live now for that very ground alone. He live now for there. Come sit down with me for inside house here. He come sit down with me for inside house here. Now my sister take buy a daka. Without that car can't even spoil. Can't go about that one for where they repair. Now when he die, now we can't even download that. We can't even repair that car because of our senior brother. Where he come down, where they come, so that one will see car. We see car right. Even my bad died, the car said the rest stupid wives where they has them, where the upper one and the other ones where they control they control the rest where it's useless. Cause they even they control my mama for inside that place. Not knowing that mama was under a duress. My mother was under a duress. They call they tell my mama say why my mama children I buy that car. Then my mama collect the car for the first son aunt. They collect the car for the aunt. The matter called the contact can reach where I did. Me now, I know they jump batty. Now I come mama say, if you want to collect that car, tell them make the ask that parlor go reach my past side. Where we renovate for almost 18 million. Wait, my sister, if you know, and it pass, I mean, you know, tell me, it pass, I mean, what will be 18-20 million. Nobody tell repair that place. House we don't even fall for that. Where we spend. I say, my mama tell them, all of the refund that money first. Now only car you want collect for the senior son. No, I say tell them to refund that money that we spend on it. Not only car. Now if I hear now, say you collect that car. Oh, me I sign. I say, if before I reach Nigeria, carry that key, go give them. Or wait, it is my mama say na joke. Now when I come call the younger brother where they drag my senior brother. And they call her Tokubo. Once the Tokubo come. Now go meet mama. I say, mama, yeah, that key, give her. Imoto. Then I go where who give you this mind? I know say not be you do this thing by yourself. I know that say that this ass where you all of them don't talk. So now you get the right hand because your true now your children ain't buying. We buy up our papa. Any property that we get to our father is for our father. So any inheritance that is going with the way this guy want to inherit, totally the guy is inheriting it. So the thing not belongs to us again. Give this boy this key as they talk so. How much? I said, I'll give me this side. Tell you, I'm not bad. Tell him when I come find the key. Come hand over that for me. I give the boy. I tell the boy, say sorry. So the boy side, the mama side, they tell me, Pemi, thank you. Now they tell like you, it's too good there. Then they tell like you. Now I say no. Anything we do for papa, now papa will do it for. He don't die, and now they will call the tell. Now say, but I know say no, my mama photo. Now inside here they spoil mind because I don't see many cases. Mama call me. If mama call me, all of them they talk for the background. They spoil my own mind too. But that the person where they stubborn. I know that kind of thing. You know, if you can carry and come my life. No, carry that nonsense come my way. I'm a walk as zoo. Who want young we see some wajeni. I'm a walk about the working on it. So I they say no. Anything that belongs to my daddy is for my daddy. So give my senior brother. He can't come give her. But now later, be like say I don't know. What you call later happen? The later after our the burial, be like say they call later throw the key, come give Kola. Kola come call me say, no be say they throw the key. Say the motor spoil. They no fit maintain the motor. You understand? And I took the small boy, not be my senior brother now. They call the user. Now the younger brother of their side, will be the side of the senior one. So now the younger one of that their side, I call they cruise the car. if you cruise the car finish don spoil I go leave am and the same color dem come see color go still go repair am for their head there dey repair am. My papa senior son no dey use the car, that one dey use leg dey waka, you understand. So now na be like say these people wey the other side, the other children wey still useless, they come dey even dey go dey talk to color, make the color the car for the to come hand, collect the car na una own, they no fit maintain am, collect the car. You understand? Before Tokubo himself come be like say come dey hear different talk. That one kukuma na the car don gbegbo, only gbede the car na gbed for the nonsense. Even Etiun no for this my sister wey dey call Ebuwa, save all of them were even talking about it, make they come collect the car for your hand. Do you understand? Now that one kukuma the told key come give color later. How they come do the car thing today? I not come anything about it. So now this kind of people, now I go come dey talk to my own mother, insulting my mother. Una wey we carry shame, carry soap take clear shame comot for una eye, take clear all the dirty wey full una body wey my mama carry chest. Children wey 58 children, only my mama side carry una clear the shame and the dirty wey dey una side. The ones wey dey London because say their mama was not there in the house, say they drive the all wey dey London. You get one particular ones wey dey London wey be Obiosa no eya side dey don dey gugu one side dey no pa because side dey no pa wa fe ko wa if they wa fe ko wa maintain me. They sold all those ones, just sold their code according to their self. They know say they know the shop, they were not there for this man's life. They bear their consequences on their own. They no intrude. That is now small for inside that woman. They cannot because of this small stupid one where the other woman where they talk so way good. So the small one, the stupid children where that one born, because definitely in mothers you must get the one where stupid inside. Do you understand? So the stupid one where that woman where good born, they be like now one of them, one out of all of them, and one where they with them for London there. Now he joined them, they curse my mama. Now he joined them, they talk about stupidness of himself. I know because of that boy now they curse him and their mama, because the mama Sophie just carry himself because he know they that house again. The woman Sophie avoid herself for this matter. She don't see the other one where they drive come out for the house. As my papa die immediately, all the most lady ba. All of what tell no seba. You read what control with that. Era make ban. But every man ragbon, who that will give well like webo. He went going out the style when he mean. They will clear outside I am also black son, I am also black daughter. But inside, my the suffer one papa. Here the body ever getting young baby with that 10,000, 50,000. And I no I can't get it. Here, Mammy, who say, Mario, any young deal of you women. They now become a controller of the burial finish. They now become they arrange the burial. They talk how they go do it. Now they go fair do. Now they go do with this one. They even carry all the condemn stupid one way condemn where they are so all the other one way condemn. They even pack the constant make they go do with us. They don't want to do burial with them because they say they be ugly. They look dirty. That was what initially they told me. If not, on our way they stupid way they are so. Have a zanzana. Here in London, no move yekeni. No one move yekeni. No control one. Here who was war. Also, mamu wabai. The near we bury again. That's where they want to do it their own. Here I go see and say that day. They even put and say, if you don't get invitation card, you know if you come inside that military base for their side, you know if you enter their side. If you don't have invitation card. You know if you allow. So none of your papa children when they even allow enter their own side. Now because of us, they don't fit stop us when me and my mama children, because I on the 12, no be our day. So now the senior son generally day for them. So we there because of the senior son and the rest of them we like say we still like. Do you understand? So as we they enter, they go they grieve everybody for their own tent where they did so. You know, because say na my mama side, now they even allow the bands and allow us enter inside their tent. Most of my party they not allow them enter inside their tent. There was having somebody was they do invitation. If you don't get invitation, you don't go enter. Oh no, a monomagba already. A monomagba already. No man. That is why I say, no, they go they bomb rubbish. If you bomb one, God not can give you another one. Thank God for it. Say, God, I thank you. Bless that one. Only that one where God give you. Bless that. Hold your own. Hold your own. Time I want to know how to do it. If you I'm all about it. Hold your money. Now begin they try. I want to try again. Make I buy another one. I want to try again. Make I buy another one. I want to try again. Make I buy another one. I want to buy more. Yeah, not take that. Now most of them take that in the process of looking for a charge. I want to born. I want to born. I want to born more. I want to born more. Now every children they born. The ones where our papa or mama born, many of useless. They useless. They be goats. And when men like they bring up this world as human. Now you yourself you want to sit here. You want if you only want pikin you get her most born journal. This person will never born me born you. One way God give you pray or your no or your missing way. Or some way no. Ah bien le bois. E mon mama ti du kun neria. E mon mama ti ye ba neria. Neria ga we guy. Ah bien la ata. Ah we beria. Kudos to that family, to that siblings. Who bring that and you when you do that video thinking you want to mock those younger ones. Who will do highlight him? How can I be the bomb and no video? You will do that video. We go thank you well. You can't enlighten a lot of people. You want to go get sense, make they get sense. People will go get sense, make they get sense through this one. Now how children they born? I want be a dia. Ah, honor. Yes, Osaru, maybe Biena. Osabala, Osanama, Onamai, Bonapaloy. So, all of una way Jackie report my case to that was judging me in back. Jackie only contribute 400,000 in traditional area for my papa. We even force her. Not be that 400,000 is supposed to pay. At least the money where they cut for her, a big way. But now only 400,000 is come out. For your mama home too, now only 400,000. Jackie because yeah 400,000 way me Jackie. Yeah 400,000 way me. Okay 400,000 usually rise the do we back. Iwe sefi ihe here dia menwe ihe here zele du weti Jesu spirit ji men ogumere wana te spirit na men ogumere wana ibi we aba bejo wana gbuwe ebi o okwe 400,000 sijo o ba contribute daily mahia o you dey contribute any ona be school ona be amai mahia where na so we wicked na so we not take care of mama na you no build a house for mama na you no know how they take build a house where you sit down put now drive as we they talk now Jackie drive all my mama children for that house. We don't get access to the house. Not be say we want come nice maybe we want go stay for that house because all my siblings they are okay. Do you understand? Not be say we want come drag the house for them. Now he they drag, now he they drive. But he just come make and say we not call the cater for the woman where they grave again because he has taken over the house. We not call the cater for the woman. When we come be like say when we go gather ourselves, they think this month this year don't finish now. When mama say complete a year or 2 years, we will say okay. Since we wait for 5 years to do the May funeral, the remembrance. Okay, more we just see this sister 1 year. More we still gather money. Say okay, more we still cook for there. You know, do something for mama grave. We not come get that completion. All because Jackie mo wow you want you get okay landlord. So we want like over sere you na when I zigo where you a big motor when I zigo where you more on my bonnet boy people where they look you now for outside all of the most of them say you get house for Lagos you get house for everywhere whereas or which when you oko no kuli which we pa we kuli ma for no the atabe again no ma so when be yari do to be we bona be malaga ni me wache na ya ta mi ya keke representers no money ni abi we na ya gbon ye comment mama Suzy wo we na we feel me ya feel fi me bae we feel me for we bae amena gele bi me ame we je se ni agbeni e ma ta so all working me very on. Do you know how many people you have spoiled me to? If not the good ones wey come dey tell me, come dey realize they are hate on me before. They hate me because of what you told them. Now they come dey tell me, say make I beg, they come dey beg me for, make I forgive them. This is why I hate you before. This is what Jackie said. This is what you do, your actions before. Una mo ogian una mo ogian me awa mo ogian mo ri ani bio. Ya ogian me ya we ya mo ogian me wa mo ogian mo ri ani bio. Una mo ya. You blame me. Ma blame me. Because they don't know. I never come out like this, come talk my side of the story. I never come talk how everything waka how it go. Ask where Jackie know. I wish even that time when Jackie take put my mama funeral, say me will wait till January. When my papa or when my elder brother of my papa overall senior son tell us say may we wait for the next other January he go come. Jackie call the grumble to us in a group where we did mama children group. Say why that boy go get mind to keep his papa course for years for grand. He say na abomination. Ona mo yo. Abomination no need ya keep a right you talk. For 1 year, we wait see other year. A right wa areva ni. Or abomination no. Where is a curse? He said the thing penna a curse papa. Did the papa body make papa the rust there till 1 year. But you sorry Jack Bene. You know, any brother you won't go in it. No, you know, just how one would jack 1 year. A jack and I do Tana with the wedding. On every do you wear your no chat, or no hair, no yet about the non journey. All the you wear you are on a wije, Muyake, or that year. Mother, I'm going to figure no job. I will swear. However, because somebody, the same one boy tell her, one of his friends, tell her, say, me no allow us do burial for your hands. Is it not better we do burial for your hands? Quiet, nobody hear our matter. Oma better pass down on that nonsense now. No don't like that mona. Oma better pass. That the boy said no. May they put her for January. Or if friend go don't come down. May so that the money go there. At the end when I money January your money go there. You want go make money. You already make money. You know I don't say I say my papa burial. The money where they donate for her, they donate money for her. At the end of it, Jackie bring 400,000. But inside of the burial rate and when they plan the burial and everything, Jackie come bring her motor, come buy motor, come buy Range Rover, whether Range Rover or in Venza that time. Get one motor where Benejo they drive, where the only Benejo get her for Bini. Now Jackie drive. He can't go buy that motor. But that time my father died. Mama still died, the same thing. For Jackie to support, Jackie can still go buy motor. Because he celebrate motor that period. I want to celebrate motor. Ona celebrate motor. Una way Jackie call tell una wetin we do one. Say agbi bijin wa. Mostly Melimade or wetin ya most Guinea. He say Jackie don't go Togo, go everywhere. Jackie with what they call na amen. They don't carry my name waka. But Jackie, there is any place where you find me dead. Why believe where you for me? Remember when we were this men wrong? You might know more with you but if we were wrong, maybe go I will go to the wrong in my money wrong. I have a scene where you are million. Hey, you are hey, I will do the poor and do you up. A scene where oh, yeah, I robbery pass to the Nico. Yeah, I will lose you up. If we were wrong, then we hear me, sir, and we hear home in the bio, and you were wrong here home in the bio. Because he must know so well. Hey, when you made your double. Everything that they talk so, Kola can testify. Jackie have taken my niece to Loadooh. He don't use the man take Kola say he with amen. They go Loadooh, may they go kill me. They go let you daughter, may they go kill me. So the end say even Kola they see her, they tell Kola say Jackie don't carry he go somewhere around from Loadooh. But he's so much in the visual way. He should be particular me. Yeah way. In and with that way young one. There was a no we are tiane. We never get back do now way. I get. You do not get for Nigeria. But for a way boy, I no be tenants. Me and my children, we are not suffering. We are not tenants. I have my house where they buy for me. I no marry Oyibo. God use Oyibos to bless me. Buy me house, buy my children house. Do you understand? I'm blessed. Do you understand? If not God. Yate their order. With the family, yate their order. I was thinking I was doing it for family. Am I aware? Yeah, me have competition with me. No, Kaseva, every requirement. And the Numa Miri, off your way. I go to take one by one. I just use this opportunity to throw down our last born. Although I have forgiven her, but I must say it so that he have a bit and then the street there will be moving again to do another video. He have a bit of talk where you were. What it make me come gather mind? Firstly, say no, my mama children. Say they know be guys. I can't conclude now. Say they are not my family. Now when my last born, all of them come gather. Talk the talk finish. Yes, now me they work the money. Una never help me for una life. I never come cry, come give una. No, na borrow me money. I never help me for una life. Since where I was born, na never give me food to eat. I might go to una. Why my son they made them? Why they me my me? Na me they do for una. Even though say I spend money for boy where they go out, it concern you. It not concern you. We can't get conversation when they talk. My last born won't talk one word. He say they vex for me since. No, I know you don't get what they talk. I can't send one video because you know say these things where all this WhatsApp where we get so any record where you get for many years sometimes if they go the end for you. If you get music gallery where you they play music, the thing go the stock for that music, your music side. So I can't go where my music storage day. I don't know, I don't lost that music site. I can't reconnect that music site again. As I reconnect it back, I can see all my things where they did there. All the record where I don't do, both 1920, all of the did that music site. I said they go, I can see my mama record where my mama drop down for me. The time when they cry to my ear, when they hospital, when everything when my mama talk, the time when they taste, when she take get attack, when my sister bring car for her. We waiting this idiot here, do everything still there. Small, I go call the player all of them for him. My mama voice, I call the player for him. Mama nanye gbese, si u not as we know, if you are getting what, you do up there, yeah. You don't better call you pure on. I have a fresh for the Rossi Smarts. So that's why I come pick that record say, see waiting my man live for grand, what he talk, how it they cry, how this getting the matrita, whether they call Iya Nija Bejo, no Bewa with them, eh? Nija class, no ya true example money. We have a tea very soon. Each way must have true example money. You notice it. Almost to go you. Almost to Yahweh ya total money. And you better not figure when is where figure. When you ya walking around almost to go is you almost to go. Is you bag bonare or to mana bibi ya wale but when you ya oh yes. I go see the record though. My mama take the kiss this woman. I go come play one day for now. He said my mama they cry. The way this girl they maltreat and because when this girl don't cause. Now I can say that excitement now the way I can retrieve all those voices, you know, I can't just pick that one, you know, can't send that for my mama group children. Who say make I send that? I don't no zua. E money je bien no waru da su no my way mo agbon bien. We mo ne pity mind. When now be me go we are by agbon na we bien le never agbon. You don't see the born, you know say you go live this life. The way you treated your mother, that is how your children will treat you. You not just your mama just die. You not forget the memory like as if the woman have not lived this life before. She just totally forget this woman that she has not lived this life before. You get one talk away. Hey, sister, stop her, just stop her. No, they carry us, go where we don't forget. Don't forget. Sister have died. Sister have move on. Sister have the way they. You don't stop her. No, they send all this thing to him. He said this boy again. Our last boy. Il dit, c'est que manger. Il dit, c'est. Abi, c'est rien, dit, c'est. Non, c'est non, il y a 5 mois. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, you have my say. He give me some money of insult. Insult, different kind of insult. Now I come to and say, you the crazy, you say they worry you. Why will you talk to me like that? Who say make I talk? He said, make I don't hold on, don't tell me the best for me, oh. Don't tell me the best for me. He said that money will be bring for her. Because after I give her that 500,000, I still keep on asking her, have you seen the store? Have you seen the store? Or tag it. Or he said, no, come on, when you use that 500,000, you don't use it and go back. Where you go, they balance them. Say na bag business. Now they raise so. Oh yeah, they back. And I okay, very good. Oh man, this way I did go. I go see why you have that money again? 500,000. Me take buy John the back. Why you say vision? Why? When we na ni me. When they ni ajiwe da. Ya ni ni guguwa. I go see why you have that 500,000. Me take go buy John the back. And I there. Now my younger sister come they tell me say he dey vex for me before. Say why he dey vex for me? That time when me they tell me go find store. When me come Nigeria, me come tell her say me come dey show on one kiosk. Me come tell her say this kind kiosk now. This kind kiosk. The person that they do this business. May you find place like that. He say I me look am. Me they tell her me go open kiosk. I me look am. He said that he the best for me. He said he don't even tell all of them before. He don't want me to leave him. This guy he cost my life. He tell me say me when the kind money they give me. What did I do? What did I not do for them? What did I now I put down for head. I call the cry. People with me they soap for. People with me they carry for head. People with me they support. He they ask me say what did I don't do for them? What did I do for them? I call the cry. Go cry. Now only this my sister where they join me so I call tell me sister now one go see say that one say she send message come. The other stupid one where I seen you direct. Now one I go even back up because the two they Nigeria. You go back up to the court. Now the one where they me go. That one see say that they send the thing and insult. That one go they remove them. You go they block them. Now they tell that one say no they remove their record again. Leave all these things here. Even as you remove her, he don't enter my gallery. Before you remove her, as far as me player, he don't enter my gallery. No need, don't they remove her. He says, sister, beg. I know she don't try. I beg. I don't know. I don't know what this kind of spirit where they use there. I know that one beg. I say no. You don't reach like this. Now I say, you basically send you 500,000. Then you go find store. Now let's store. I say me you go find. No be me want buy things for you. No be me want equip you. Before person can send you to go and look for shop, the person don't say yes. He want to do something for you now. Now you say me tell you, may you go me show you when I call Nigeria, see me show and say the person where they are really because sometimes before they will send me money. Now that woman store you go. The woman where they sell something, you go they collect something credit. As the woman see poor rich, you yourself see they go there, they collect credit. Why can't you have kind place like that somebody will come to come and collect credit? You better pass that woman. He said me go tell and say me you go open book. May you go put that kind of place. Say now that one I the best for me since all these days. So people don't even tell all the mama children when me no know. Now later after that incident, now those who are called the confessor, they don't get them. Say why me go talk that kind of words. May you go there, may you go open where you don't this person which they tell us so. All those places, people where they sell something, some people, all of them from the guest store, so they sell petty things, all those soap, all those food stuff that they sell have all those kind of stuff. All people where they house. So they use wood, they mold their own. Why so they rent store they put their things. That kind of things we say let me show them. Say I mean look. So you know say I look you like that. I give you 500,000 when you go they look for store. Just to hold you, to let you know that I am sponsoring you. You understand? Because I know, say, when I start, my sister, when they me emotionally support. I know that one for that one. So, you know that one. You don't tell me before my money can't give me. You know, before the money, until you go use the money, go buy bike. They bike the balance you. Only when you buy with it, on the bike, you don't know how you want the bike balance. Is you want to or bewe master. Anything. You now can't get the invest for me, and now you they cook for me for that house. Before I come out for that Nigeria, come here. You put that thing where you say I do. You put that for mind. If you poison me now, my sister. If you poison me, now when you call they tell me say you the invest for me. Come make you the cause me. As that thing happen, I can't no say I not get brothers and sisters. Now let the one where they journey so now I even marriage take out of them. Because you never get one thing where you really do me. Although they use her now she don't even get sense. Where that muja a bound in the one. Now dear, for just first I just block myself out of their WhatsApp. I just block myself. I just start and there my awakening starts. Yes, it started from there. I started knowing myself. My sister call me one day. The one day Jenny call me sister every time. If you just you want to tell you one thing, don't be everything where you just maybe they make you angry. You just they call, then they explain, they cry. No, they cry again. Carry your heart. That one just throw that one. That one use that they pet me, but you don't know say a big word that come up for a mat. He use and enlight me. And there I know say yes, I am alone. I can't block myself. I not go there their group again. Now when she can't get better, she want born. They come beg me. I can't go back to their group again. Because they because if she get better like that, because any of our match now let me want not to get problem like if I want born. Me and the one with there. Now we know they get complication for one born. So she called her whole time. They call they say they need me high to guy. So you need to gather us together. After I say I the best for her, I don't give best for her for that time. So they don't beg me. I can't deal with them. We go enter prayer, they pray, they know they inside there, make sure say she delivers successfully and everything. As she done everything done really done and settle. Now they come out again. I come out again, leave them. Now we there so. It doesn't mean say me and them no they talk together again. We know they in the same group. You know me say I know they pray for them. I they pray for them. I ain't make her say anything when they talk. If they carry my word, if they gossip me or they talk anything nasty about me, as far as I see they pray for this altar for them. Anything they do against me, I know say me they die, but they go fake better sickness. They go face better sickness. We go be say now me they go need. I get it how you come over in wow before the sickness you keep by that worry. Come when you want biwa and you be me. But everyone visual, they use me as a slave. My area, I can't tell una. I tell you a shower, they feed una papa. They spend money for my papa to make they take care of una. Where these children were stupid. Why so need me more idea we bona? It don't come when he give me yard. He go back. He give me more idea we boy. Anything you do why I just basie. He don't come one. He should want mametic 1 hour. He should want because of gazayahi. They know all these things I'm saying. Your mothers know because they were aware. Anything my father is doing with me, my father normally says to all of them. They all are thanking me for it. So if now we be the children don't know how not take grow up, how na papa take feed una, how we will not perceive the source. This na papa go show a show no ga journey. They do want to cook so we go free. I'm free. It didn't work. So guys, I want to use this video to tell a lot of una where see they her life. As a mother, not suffer too much for your children. Try, make sure say you, because everybody go die. I say waiting, everybody go die. Believe say death day, it go meet you one day. If it might not be today, but it's on your way. Believe that one. Make sure say even though na 2,000 euro, 1,000 euro, save them. Where they no care, who boy you talk where they no care. Ni kaya ari na. Ni kaya ari na ina ni medo ni no ane do gbe mewu ni kaya ari na. You say the one way what they eat Make sure you gather and put am for ground. Any money at all, how is small reach, how your power reach wey you get, put am for ground. Or use am start petit something, petit market, dey do am. As you dey age, maybe as you dey age, you no get, that is, you know, them really buoyant like that, you know, that you no get that finance, you know, make am like that. But try your best, even though na one kiosk, anything really where you put your hand, they do, they sell, so that through that thing you go dey eat before you die, because we must die. I want more to know say death is here. We must die. We all am, everybody all am. It might not come today. Some people meet their own today. Yes, unexpectedly. Some meet their own today unexpectedly. So know that one say there is death. You must die. So all these children when you pack come, all these goats, all these animals, all these wicked, useless children where God throw away come up for heaven, bring come this life, wey una pluck, they begin, they bomb, they give us for this place. They don't get time for you, really, when you are old. They really don't get time for you. Because they did their own race. Now the world, the world ballow you. That's why you ballow them. Yes, the world they show you pepper. That's why you go see show them pepper. So the children now, they are on their own, focusing on their own. So as a mother, if this is go to the father. So as a father, try by all means know what you can be doing for your rainy days, for your, not be say rainy day, for the time when you want to live. So that you don't depend on your children. If you depend on these stupid children, they will fuck you up at the minutes. In the minutes they will fuck you up. Now go they suffer, they follow children. Hey, my children need this one. I must buy it for the children. My children need this one. My children need this one. My children, they don't take care of themselves. They take care of themselves. Now they carry children. Wife. Put for head. Take care of your own self. As you come as a mother, as a father to this life, that is how those children you are bringing to this world. That is how they come. Everybody is in a mission, different kind of mission. Know that one. And save your own breath, save your time. Know how to go to air care. Take care of yourself. Not only beating for your own child. Hey, my pikin not well. My pikin not well. Beat for your own self. Or when not beating it, or where they will only know, the only thing they normally put on their head say, my father don't hold now. As they sick now, they will expect them because they know so you go die. We don't really hold. You go die now. But you forget, say, not be only old people that they die. The young also die. Some die in their early age. The way you maltreat your mother, the way you maltreat your father, that's the same way you will be maltreated. If your parents die now, you forget them totally in your memory. You cannot call them remember the time when they spent to take care of you. The sleepless night, the heart attack they take about you, not call the reason. You know they use that one, say they honor those parents. You yourself, your children, with as you dey life now your children go even, because I trust these children when they born this time around self. As you dey life now, they go even forget you for as you dey life before you go. They don't forget you. You can't expect say make children now, then children nowadays now call the pamper, you call they give you, they no go give you any food. Okay. Give you food. They go, as you dey like they will maltreat you for this life when you dey so. Children when they born and they get their wise pass us when they get born. Now we when they don't born now we they carry family people for it. Who family help? If you see they sponsor your sister or your brother for school, you are on your own. The same brother and sister when you sponsor for school, now the same people go tell you say you don't do anything for them. They go forget say their papa, the mama not get any ugbo where they collect, they pluck money. Oh, say now you when your boss saw it, now you they sponsor your parents. Those things your parents they use, they take care of them. They will come use that school against you. Now you go make sure say they finish their education. You will not go school where they take do sacrifice, put for her side. Now you go do everything, but now you go talk to the bad one. They don't get food for house. Now you go give your parents, because your parents depend on you, because now you the lights meets down. Maybe now you fail enter Europe, or now you fail the pluck money, or now you be senior. They are on your neck. They not go see that one. Those children they will not see that one. They will be thinking is their parents doing it for them. Everywhere we go, here they bring the bank here. Here move bank. Here you give it's going. You come everywhere jiku. Obviously all day everywhere the ego no more. That they no see. No matter for okay barrier. No you daiji down sort that good. You daiji now. Obviously you daiji. Teruwa jitina. Idiwa. Weto must wasi honi. All the sadwa all meruwa ego. Obe sadwa meruwa ego bona. Izoruwa jikuri. It is where they talk, so a lot of people knows about it. You come and come, they talk to me. Again, they bought it. Why it be again, me don't be webo. Why you and you? Why they see your sister? See, I never come. And I won't warn again. If you know it better for now. Una they stop. Una two, una self. Una they cost me. Una they cost me. Una they carry my name. They go different place. Una they do meeting for my edge. Una they plan say hey. Whoa, what in Nigeria? Do I kidnap? Do I be? Do I fear? We are say who are we are say can see some Giovanni again. Ogunore yeko wa fi o ya mu ji wa mi o ka me o ki am o fi aju grave era na we ru baba ogunore yeko we ru baba wa mi o ya me fi o ya be ma duwa yi wa fi o ya mu ji wa fi o ya mu ji wa awa a o ya me na o wa wa ya wa fi na ya o wa ya fi no wa ya now come they talk to me. Now call they insult my mama. Why na get in our bury any? I feel that over one law. Be as in what see a leg. Why are you sick? Is you sick? One I wow. Give me baby or not. It didn't work. One why? I will teach you one of them at what one of the house and is you a fianzana. One my dagger with your monafia evident. Omatege bi yomo be oni bi homo no dogbe kweku the homo no gbe kweku the homo no say because I say he be my own I'll go talk like I know anything that comes out from my mouth. It's totally perfect truth. I don't hide. Yeah, before my papa die, may I tell this word before I end this light story. Before my papa die, when I can't go home. People when they follow me for Facebook, that I know say. Now my papa even called me for Lagos, make I come. Say make I come, make I come see. How they ask me say what you I say make they cook with me. I call you last night at Nisu. So when I come home, now they call they tell me one story wey happen. My papa's side with the other side, the other Osula, they can't get problem. They get this problem. Me myself, my papa not tell me because there is nothing my daddy not tell me except say the thing na bad thing or he amu lele. Because all we are on, he can phone, vugbe mbom, walk here busu. My papa not tell me. So now when I come, now one of my useless sisters, my cousin, we come from the other side of Osula. That one is used my papa to do papa. So that one they follow me, they work as best friend. That one I can tell me say see what they happen between the family. Say that the side and their side, that side they know they play. Now I say what happen, why they know they play. He say I remember in Ekbe where he died. So you know say this Obiesa na born in Ekbe. So Obiesa na my papa the house where he face my papa and my papa together house. That house now he get where our side reach for that house. You understand? The other side now the other family. That other house when I get their own side. Obiesa now don't collect all the stores where they my papa house. They collect the money. You hold the family hostage. They don't fit kill Obiesa until today. They don't go fight Obiesa. Me wa wa don't let it be now. And Obiesa who I hear many me I just that work here. Eruwa no go mere ma when the fire down. Eruwa when the fire down. We on game. We not give up. Obiesa collect all the stores. He hold the house hostage. Now he only want to occupy those things. He can't go see occupy those people, those others Osula, their own side. He can't go carry. If you see what this woman they even they say, oh where am I? You may not stop on why you give me a family winner. Why give me the family winner? If you see what this one they say stones, they say bottle, they say rubber, or rubber. That is. Having the gbogbe new tiku up on that ni pa ewa eno e ma no to agbo e dine ni e ma be he o all those people where they give medicine for people for healiness or for medicine to born, medicine to heal any problem you have. Then my papa mama they do. This woman called later say na he could be my papa mama. He could they do all those things. Because they carry dirty, they pack for the compound. You could carry the dirty pack for my papa compound where they control. Come go control the other family compound also come occupy them. Those who come complain come out. Who say me those who complain? They call they follow those who fight. My papa now can't join them. As my papa join them, he can't leak to the extent my papa can't go reason what those who do. Say our own sister where they follow my papa drag property where they can't leave these two as for my person. This our own sister where because the sister na judge. Now Igbine just put hand for that woman hand. Even that, I beg, that is why anything that they do for those states, I don't they put my mouth. You understand? Because I know what it is so. Do you understand? So the woman can't carry the properties where it's supposed, where my papa supposed to inherit. My papa have won the property before, but at the end, the woman they call this the Edo, they are called the Edo, don't join that woman. They can't carry everything, give the woman. Now me even tell my papa, I don't grow up. Now my papa say, I wish that time when I hear what I they talk. You for carry this title, this chief title, give them the Edo, make the crown that woman. Yes, Edo no go fit join that woman to win you because the woman not fit proof come and say na his brother na he be senior son, his brother not dey this life again. No money. You woman now come stand as a woman, come with this property. So when the Edo join this woman, they don't talk, put as a traditional. But when they want give you crown, they count you as a senior son. They want give you Gilbert, they count you as a senior son. You can't reach the main properties now. They call hand over and join this woman with Igbinejo, call hand over for this woman. That's it, Papa. Now you do pass. If for hand over the chief title give them, may they give that woman. May we see how woman they turn to chief for Benin. Now maybe no koyari again. Na heavy no koyari again. A boy what take us away. Why can I not go high go? So my papa can bring out that matter when the woman die. Because my papa carry the cross of the two family. My papa now they fair for them. My papa they carry the waka. And my papa they make sure say they okay. They put everything in order. Even the small chief. My papa make start make them give her the papa chief. And my papa carry a teacher ways. Small pikin where they wear senior. Do you understand? Cause they cost my papa. My papa na teacher ways. But if they die for their side, my papa they carry the burial they do for them. My papa they do everything. They make sure say that it was my papa was taking. The papa just get the same ass where I get. So when the very woman die, for them to punish that woman children, punish the people, punish the adults. Make they tell the woman children, the woman family, make they go call or the adult call Igbinejo. May all of them go stand as a family. Make they take bury that woman. Because initially, most of them for the family know they play with the woman. That is they know they do something with that woman. Do you understand? But because say money matter, also the family they like money. Because here you was zua. I beg you, matter only tell me what. Why you said, that family na for no allow me evil grow rich like this. Now for try, this is what they try to kill me. Now for try, not take me. Now for try. I know say my spirit they not grieve for now. So my partner, they can't join those women children. My papa can say, you know what join them. You know what do the burial. My papa say no, that is they can't come up. My papa say no, for wait that happen. Person will take it birthright. Person will take it birthright for her. May you come bury her. You know the burial. Person will not cut her like somebody. May you come bury the burial. So all my papa brothers and sisters wey face us, wey be other Osulas now, all of the way my papa they take care of, wey my papa they form bids for, wey my papa they even they bury, wey they go die, some of them will not get, They go just power go the woman side, go journal, even carry the woman bury, I go do for their own compound. Go do the woman. So my papa come verse for that thing, the thing come make the woman break down. So when they call the fight each and woman for that load, then the thing way that one put for outside. That my papa can go bring that matter cause he don't say where you know the mellow down for now. Nah. He not get anything to do with now. From there they come carry ukure come and I know wetin they call ukure na their ancestral like say na their curse. Na ukure na wetin they put for their shrine where they reach for their forefathers. They come carry and come out now take curse each other take curse. The two family now the two they come curse. And a strong curse na they curse. Kai, wetin God pay me. This girl call the tell me I say so why not even tell me say this thing will come. He said at the cost I never say Enekpe may die because Enekpe na carry the matter put for head well. So don't be say she has said they tell me now say na the cost where the cost na he call kill Enekpe. He say no, you understand? But those sides now go they feel like say that cost where the cost na they wakana, but that's not be that cost. For real, not be that cost. So he called that time where I come before my papa died. So I call their sister, one of their sister called still die. Before my father died. That's her sister where died. In here, this my sister. This thing wants to start again. I want to come back again to this video. This thing wants to come back again. I want to come back to this video again. They just give me another 4 minutes ago. So that's my sister where they follow me. Now it be like a daughter to this very one where it died. So that's their sister where it died because that one not born. So that one we call they do to plan the burial. So I can't go meet my papa. They say they bring clothes come. You tell your children, may anybody not enter that house again. May they not even carry the clothes. They bring for the burial of that woman. Why? My papa say no, nobody. You say they curse each other. They curse each other. Say now I call ask my papa say wait till your. They find I want to uproot your papa grave. For that place. Now you are fearful, you will tell. Oh, we are me and you ask me and you they talk now. Me and they go that place. If papa way for way leg no they stand. Way leg no they stand. For real. Bad news about me mother. Na truth all that they talk. My power leg they pay. As I thought that was say, may they wash me now. Me, since you say my children don't go that place now. Me they go that house now. As I just get up like this, that's so my power they use crush. That's so you just say get up. Roll, you won't fall, you just hold me for back like this. He said, no, my pikin, if they want to kill anybody again, definitely not you. Definitely not you. I swear that is what my father said to me. He said if they want to kill any of his children again, definitely not me. That is what he mentioned. He said, he hold me and said, make I not go. He said, make I come, sit down. What you make him do now? What you make him do? I said, okay. Now. The other of my sister where they follow me, they walk away with the Bufford, where that one and the other family anyway, my papa. So now I say that one now I don't send a may go call the small chief come. So that I'm gonna settle the matter. No, if they can't start with our forefather don't do for grand, they can't think where they messed for grand. When I want to continue on again for our own time. I said no, I'm not gonna agree. So you know I go call small chief come. You sit down for this parlor with me. Wait, make the small chief come so that we'll go settle this matter. And my partner me say, okay now, okay, he go wait. Whether he go inside a room, may go change the clothes. Now I say yes. We go enter inside a room. He go there, change the clothes, come back again, come sit down with me. My papa can't even come there, he can't eat for that place. He can't read newspaper for that place. I sit there with him, they control the other, the girl, they tell me say, even the chief, either the waiter or chief, even the black, say that one, there's postuna. And so we take wait 4 hours now, Mami chief. Or a week whatever now. And when the chief with the other side come our side, I call spark my youngest one and my brothers and sisters. We they come to sympathize. What kind of dirty sympathize? When don't leave some causes down for the children again. When the two family use ukure, they cause themselves. You know, and I wanted to solve that matter. My papa have agreed for me to wait and settle the matter more than the total cost. We don't see this small chief. And my papa they sick. And we don't call chief. Even though I don't book appointment, reach 2 times. Chief disappoint my papa. It's post speech to my own father face when I was trying to settle them. And chief come here and I call the same sorry for what? Get out of my face. They call they say I want to start again. Don't they? I see they crazy. Papa get mono zuwa ira me biye. E mono zuwa ira me wa biye be adi agbo. E chief ni wa ya die. E wo big dana. Imagine the causes that they have laid in the ground where they are two don't use it to cause themselves now. Where be like say then they for their side now he say my papa lost. You understand? Lost the way they call it. Their side constantly lost one woman where they talk about now. Say we want go there. They call lost that woman. Do you understand? They have this one they lost. This one they lost. We don't know what that thing stand for. For them to settle it. You know, this chief no allow the thing to be settled. My papa can't die put. Who no one call me cause return the cost now? Who no one call? These are the things why the gods called on me to come and fight it for you people. To come and clear the way, clear my mess. Now they come, they fight my mama, they fight me. Wow. Me, anytime my spirit leads me, I'm coming back again. Guys, this is my video one hand. I need to do one.